Let's do the initial break-in of the Z-Grill pellet grill. So the first thing we need to do is make sure that you remove the porcelain grills, the warming wrap, and the grease pan from the inside. So far, check. Now open up the pellet hopper lid and make sure that there's no foreign objects inside the auger. We're also going to confirm that the auger is start turning. Now we got to make sure that your switch is in the shutdown cycle. Now press the power button and set the temperature dial to smoke. Now you're going to need to wait a couple minutes and confirm that your auger is turning. Now you want to hold your hand over the fire pot to confirm that the fan is blowing hot air. It takes about 2 minutes for the heating element to heat up, but you should feel some warmth from that fan. Now go back to your display and you should see a temperature number here. If you're not seeing that, go back to your troubleshooting guide. Now from here you're going to want to change it to the shutdown cycle. The draft fan is going to stay on for about 10 minutes in this mode, so just let it do its thing, and once it's finished then we'll go to the next step. Now you're going to want to fill up your hopper with your pellets. Now we want to turn this back on and then set it to the absolute highest setting. And then what we're going to do is wait for the pellets to start dropping in here. Once they start dropping, we're going to take it back and turn it back to the shutdown cycle. The auger moves pretty slow, so you're just going to have to be patient and watch it. It's just starting to drop these pellets, so let's go ahead and get this thing turned off. From here now what we're going to do is turn this to smoke and then wait till this becomes a full flame. You can see it's starting to light, but we want a full flame. Now that it's full flame, let's get this back down to shutdown cycle. You're going to want this to fully shut down and go through its cycle before we go to the next step. And that's about 10 minutes. Now put all your components back in place. With the lid open, we're going to take this back and put it on smoke, and then once it starts smoking a few minutes later, we're going to put it on the high setting and we're going to run it there for about 45 minutes to burn off anything that's in here before we cook our food with it. Once you're done with that process, make sure to heat up your grill for 10 minutes before adding any food. This is going to make your grill heat up way faster and quickly reach your desired cooking temperature, and adding the food any sooner is going to slow down that heating process.